Hello everyone. Today I am teaching you step by step guide Elegant Winter Nails 2022 and 2023. Let's start our video. And style number 1 and design number 1 is white out. We can never go wrong with chalk white set. Like these nails from Dharham based nail artist Kia Taylor, she elevated the simple set with an enclasped accent nail on each hand. Look closely and you will see the pieces of iridescent and gold glitter flecks. Number 2 design is mismatch mayonnaise. Painting your nails all one color is so. Nowadays, people like to play around with different designs on each finger, like this mismatch manicure created by Brooklyn based Jasmine Lewis. We can decide which nail we like the best, but the way she incorporated bright yellow, orange, pink, green, and blue is to impress. Style number 3, slanted tips. Cincinnati based nail artist Maya Nicole created this gorgeous lipstick shaped manicure that plays with neon pink, canary yellow, and lavender hues. We like how one hand has swirls that transition between the three shades, while the other hand has small blobs of each color. Of course, Nicole had add some bling, but she switched it up on each hand. One index finger is completely covered in silver caviar jewels white. The ring finger on the other hand has silver gems arranged in swirly loops. Next style is the new French manicure. London based nail artist Z is responsible for artfully painting this nude French manicure. These C curved tips are completely hollow and outlined simply in a tan white, a brown color. The ring finger has powerful girls inspired her in a series of similar shades. Thank you very much for watching this video.